Dear students, I am pleased and glad to introduce our today's speaker, Disha Mistry, the student of BSIC 302 Industrial Chemistry course that would lecture on a very important topic, that is finned type heat exchanger. Now the floor is yours, Disha. I request you to deliver the lecture. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will do a presentation on fine heat exchanger. In this presentation, we are going to discuss fine tube heat exchanger and its types. Fine tube surface area for heat transfer. Surface area is very important. We know the maximum heat transfer surface area. Fine tube heat exchanger are known for maximum heat transfer area by design. Fine tube heat exchanger will tube with extended outer surface area. Fine tube is the heat transfer rate from additional area of fine tube. Fine tube with extended outer surface area.
Excuse me, Disha, can you please previous slide? A, B, C, D. Here, can you please tell us what are these? What is the difference between these? What is the difference between these? These are all different examples, designs. Yes, please explain to us what is A, B, C, and D.
It is a tube. In the outer area of tube, there is a fine, which in this the area.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Still, Disha, I did not understand. Still, what is A, B, and C? Oh, yeah. A, B, and C are. Sorry, I did not understand. Yeah, when we present something, okay, please go ahead. When we present some figures, we should give, some kind of, information on that. Okay, please continue.
Types of fine exchangers and fine tubes. They are not fine tubes. They can work at maximum temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. It has an acceptable level of atmosphere corrosive resistance. It is made of aluminum and copper. Offers a cool mechanical resistance. Second is the aerial fine tube. They can work at a maximum temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. It has an acceptable level of atmosphere corrosion resistance. It is made of aluminum and copper. Offers mechanical resistance. KL fine tubes. They can work at a maximum temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. They have an acceptable level of atmosphere corrosion resistance. They are made of aluminum and copper. Offers acceptable mechanical resistance. G fine tubes. They can work at a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Celsius. They have a cool level of atmosphere corrosion resistance. They are made up of carbon, aluminum, and copper. It offers acceptable mechanical resistance. And last one is extruded fine tube. They can work at a maximum temperature of 285 degrees Celsius. They have an excellent level of atmosphere corrosion resistance. They are probably made up of aluminum and offers excellent mechanical resistance. Application of filled tube heat exchanger. When you have a low heat transfer the coefficient of the outside of the tube. In such cases, the abstract heat transfer area created by the fins helping ensuring that required rate of heat transfer is made possible. Common applications require air on the outside and liquid in the inside of tube.
Thank you, Disha, for very clear presentation.
Heat exchangers.
Yeah, indeed, I have never seen that. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Disha, for telling us what are the various types of finite tube heat exchangers depending upon the temperature of operability. Yeah, yeah, we have fuel cells that are characterized based on the operation temperature of operation. Likewise, classification, we know certain things that are based on temperature. Yeah, here you have showed that what is the makeup of different finite tube heat exchangers, and based on the temperature of operation, how they are classified. Thank you for the useful and informative lecture. Please, friends, let us give a big hand to our friend Disha for a very professional and smooth presentation. Thank you, Disha.